Hello, Brittany, and welcome to another fabulous episode of Studying Late Night Style with Honors Biology. Today we are going to discuss the eyes. But first we have to review how light works. Light works in wavelengths. We can see from 400 to 700 nanometers of light. That's 400, which would be, I don't know, violet, 400 violet, and 700 red, Roy G. Biv, you know? Anyway, our eyes are protected by our eyebrows, eyelashes, our conjunctiva, eyelids, of course, your lacrimal apparatus, or the lacrimal glands located here, are what make tears run across your eye and meet at the tear duct, and some tears fall here, some tears go here. Tears are made of an enzyme called lysozyme, Lysozyme. They're also made of mucus, salt, water. That's it. Fabulous. Eye components, okay, whatever. Outer tunic. The eye is made up of 3 tunics. The outer, the middle, and the inner. Yeah, man, okay. The outer tunic contains the sclera and the cornea. Yes, the sclera is white. You can't see through it, it's opaque. The cornea, the outermost layer of your eye, is transparent. It has no blood vessels in the cornea. None. In your middle tunic, you have the choroid and ciliary body. The choroid contains melanocytes, which would explain why the eye is black when you dissect that part of the eye. That's your choroid, it's black. The ciliary body, it allows focuses. What am I talking like? I'm stupid. I'm real tired, actually. The ciliary body allows focus for close objects. This tree is close by. I'm focusing on it. Now it's farther away. My ciliary body won't work. I don't know. Excellent. Aqueous humor. It helps to maintain the shape of your eye. Cornea. No, don't get that wrong. Aqueous humor helps to maintain the shape of a cornea. Alright. Now we move on to the iris. Also inside the middle tunic. It's a colored part of your eye. It's a smooth muscle that contracts and opens up to allow light to come inside. You know? The iris has 2 muscles, sphincter and radials. Sphincters make the iris wider, so your pupil gets smaller, and radial muscles make your iris narrow, which makes your pupil bigger. So if like the inside of my finner, where it's black but my hair is dark brown, but just use that example, the inner circle part is black right now, that's your pupil, and like my fingers are the iris. Right now the sphincter muscles worked to make the pupil small. These are radial sphincter. Alright, I can't make this up. They have a muscle in your eye called the sphincter. Alright, now up to the inner tunic. The retina, which is full of blood vessels, it's red, full of blood vessels. What doesn't have blood vessels? Your cornea. Alright. Inside the retina is also your fovea, Fovea, which is where your best vision is. I guess, I don't know, that's what it says in my notes. From there we move on to cones, which detect color. There's 3 primary colors, red, blue, and green. Their scientific names. Red is, I'll move on, never mind. Chlorolabe. cyanolabe and erythrolabe, chlorolabe, erythrolabe, and cyanolabe. So I have chlorolabe and cyanolabe. The red pigment is called erythrolabe. Right, rods help you see in the dark. Well, it's your eyes adjusting to the darkness. The photopigment within rods is rhodopsin, which comes from opsin and retinine. And vitamin A is necessary for night vision. So, vitamin A is necessary for retinine and opsin, rhodopsin, vitamin A. Your optic nerve is also in the inner tunic, and your blind spot is, the optic nerve. The lens, also in the inner tunic, is transparent. No, there's not much about it. Inside the lens is accommodation, which focuses on things closer or farther away. So, focusing on things closer, I don't remember what that's called. Ciliary body. My ciliary body's working because I'm looking at something closer. But in general, that's called accommodation. Like, it could be close or far away, but you're focusing on it, and that's called accommodation. Okay, so there's other structures. Anterior chamber between the cornea and the iris. It is filled with aqueous humor. So anterior chamber, aqueous humor. Vitreous humor is jelly-like, maintains the eye shape. Vitreous humor maintains the eye shape. Aqueous humor maintains the cornea shape. Alright, now here we go. Convergence. Turning eyes toward the center to focus on an image less than 6 meters away. Accommodation, we know. Field of vision, that's how far you can see. Peripheral, how far to the side you can see. Depth perception, how far away something is when one eye is either open or closed, and junk like that. Spatial relationships, where stuff is. Disorders, astigmatism, when your eye is oddly shaped. Your cornea. Jeez, anyway, astigmatism is when your cornea is oddly shaped. Myopia, you're nearsighted. Hyperopia, you're farsighted. And presbyopia is when your accommodation doesn't work because of age. Color blindness, can't see colors. Cataract, clouding of the lens. Glaucoma, increases pressure. Glaucoma is a built-up pressure in the eye, which causes damage to photoreceptors. And then we have pink eye, which is conjunctivitis. Quick review. Photopigment that helps vitamin A, which helps to synthesize. That would be the retinine. Retinine, opsin, rhodopsin, vitamin A. Where are melanocytes? In the choroid. Melanocytes are black. The choroid is black. There we go. Area in retina where there's no photoreceptors. That would be the blind spot, or where the optic nerve is. If your eyeball is too long, you're nearsighted. That means you got myopia. If your eyeball is too short and you're farsighted, you have hyperopia. And if you have presbyopia or whatever, you just don't have any more accommodation. Which colors, when mixed, produce white light? And that'd be the primary colors of blue, green, and red. Name of the red, speaking of blue, green, and red, blue is cyanolabe, green is chlorolabe, and red is erythrolabe. And increased pressure in the eye, glaucoma. Thanks for reviewing with me, Brittany. Sorry, this is almost 10 minutes. Is this the record? I don't think studying videos should count as as like going towards a record, you know, because this is going to be a long video no matter what. But I'm going to go now. 10 minutes of study. So if you are taking the test tomorrow, I wish you luck. I hope I helped. If you bother to watch this, it helped me a lot. I just forced myself to study. I shouldn't put that on the floor. I should put that on the table so I don't forget it tomorrow. Okay. Sorry. That was real awkward. Okay. Panda says bye. I say bye. Mason, you say bye? Mason. Yeah? Hey. Shh, shh, shh. You say bye. Do you say bye? You don't care. Well, me and Panda, that's all that matters. To me and the Panda, we say goodbye. Bye, Brittany. See you tomorrow.